Hello from me, Lazar Hristov. Welcome to the next lesson in the series on creating a website from scratch. And as you know, right now, I'm introducing my third book, Master Techniques in Adaptive and Responsive Design. In it we will show how to make our educational website adaptive. And also, new techniques in CSS and concepts for adaptive design. I think you'll find it very interesting. Let's open the PDF file. In it we continue with the topic, CSS implementation with media queries. Media queries are a hallmark of adaptive design. They are implemented through the media rule and allow for a given site to have a different layout for a computer screen, a mobile phone, or for printing. In CSS 2.1, it was possible to specify the type of device for which individual CSS styles would be applied. So the keyword screen was telling us that these styles would be valid for a computer monitor. In addition to the screen, there were also the following types for different devices. In 3, these devices are reduced to only the following: for all devices, for printing, for computer screens, and for devices that generate audio content. Added new advanced features, such as logical operators, such as media screen and maximum width of 992 pixels. Logical not minus like a media screen and a width of up to 992 pixels. Logical and, or. Here the comma is also used as a logical and. For example, it is the same with or, and a comma can also be used. You may also encounter the only operator minus only for older browsers. It specifies that styles are only applied if the entire query matches. Media characteristics, for example to determine the width or height of the screen, and depending on to execute certain styles. We have the following: the ratio between the width and the height. The color determines the amount of bits. Color index minus the colors that the device can display. Device aspect ratio determines the ratio between the width and height of the device. The ratio has two values, both positive. The value is two positive numbers separated by a slash. The first number indicates the number of pixels along the vertical axis, the second minus along the horizontal axis. Device height minus shows the height of the device. Device width minus shows the width of the device. You can see them. There are quite a few here. There is no point in showing them all now. Many of them may have a min or max prefix. The most important characteristics of devices are the minimum and maximum widths. They allow the creation of flexible structures in which the change of the site is done based on a change in the width of the browser installed on the device. Here are some examples. If the browser window width is 600 pixels or less, and the background color will be blue. Second, if the window width is 600 pixels or larger, and the background will be pink, and the width of our web page will be 90%. Third, if the width of the browser window is between 600 and 792 pixels, and the background color will be green. The width of the web page will be 80%, and the height will be 95%. That's all for this lesson. Best regards.